Hey guys, well, I'm always fixing the dark bank. Here's the part 2 of it. Oh, I tried again. Try.
Hey, no.
Try. I knew it. You just had to pull it. Wait. Oh, wow. Here it is. Here's the border. Wait, more of it. Here the other way. Try it again. That's what I look like. Now we're gonna put it back into the when it goes. Oh, wait. Put this in here. Alright.
Yum.
Put the screw back in. Ooh, what? I have to try. Okay, then try.
Wait, the legs are not even on.
No. That's not right. No, that's not right.
That's not right.
That. Okay, there we go. Now it moves right. Oh, I forgot the part to put it on. I need to put the way it is. Okay. Try.
Okay.
Oh, I don't care. Okay.
Hey, what's wrong with you thing?
Tell me. Oh, it's on. Now I need to put the screws back in. Okay, try. Okay! I have been putting this one. Oh no, wait, mommy. Okay. So put the screws back in. Here, you zoomed in. Wait. Alright. I am looking at them about that. Oh.
And the lesson in all that is you don't
don't
push on it and you don't pull on it.
Let's put the last screw back in. Alright, let me show you. Okay, yeah. Let me see. Remember, thanks.
You're welcome.
But don't break it. So
Yeah. You don't push and you don't pull on it.
that's what it breaks it.
You're gonna break the gears and Daddy can't fix a gear.
So I like this video. Thanks for watching and bye.